Well, Tuesday morning. I didn't do anything in the shop Monday. I spent all day Saturday and Sunday on the golf course with my brother-in-law because it was the last 2 days the course was open. So Sunday night they buttoned her up, and yesterday I put everything I have into my toy hauler. So I have to take the roof off my golf cart because it won't squeeze between the bathroom and the cabinet that's up on the wall. So I take the roof off of that, drove that into the camper, and then I backed my my trike in behind it, and both of them are stored nice and neat. And I plug them both in. They both have smart chargers on the batteries, and then the camper itself charges its own battery, so it works out really nice. So everything just maintains itself now from now till spring. I don't do much as far as winterizing. On the camper, I've got it set up so I can use 2 gallons of antifreeze, and it takes roughly 10 minutes to winterize it. I just pump antifreeze throughout all the plumbing and then drain it out, and that's it. And motorcycle, you know, because it's kind of short time storage, I store the motorcycle for, well, from now until probably March. So, you know, 5-6 months. I don't really do anything. Fill up the gas tank and park it. That's it. I don't go through oil changes or any of that. In spring, I'll take it out, drive it a little bit, and then maybe dump the oil after, you know, I put 400 or 500 miles on it or something. But anyway, that went quite well. Took most of the day because, you know, I got to pull the camper out, get it all straightened out inside, and then move everything in, then back it back in. And then I had to rig up a place to hang my golf clubs in the garage and get my little electric car in my nice heated garage, which is nice. And today I'm working on some chairs. You can't sit on them because the legs break off. Well, a little glitch there. So I'm reinforcing them. I'm building a metal skirt to go around the legs and see if I can band-aid them together because she doesn't want to get rid of them. This afternoon I'm going to finish up number 100. I got to do the grates, and I got to run a little electrical line for the fan on the third radiator. But that one's done. I got all the parts ready for the painter, and I got really nothing else. Well, I got to put a car tire in the back, so I'll get that done too. But today I should be able to button that one up pretty good. And let's see, tomorrow is Wednesday. So this one's going for the test ride tomorrow, and I'll probably test ride the 100 over there. But my spot welder decided to stop working. It's just out of the blue. Quit spotting. It doesn't do spotting or welding, which is a bad combo. So I guess I'll have to go buy another one of those now. I'll chug it like my coffee. What time is it? Almost 11 o'clock. And I'm going to have, well, the rest of the little metal doohickeys that I'm working on here and get them in the powder coat oven, because after dinner I got regular work to do. I can't be working on kitchen appliances